The fourth shift is a complete focus on digital transformation. Let me show you the evidence. TOGAF BRM, the Digital Business Reference Model. This is TOGAF's framework for implementing digital technologies. These standards guide digital enterprises using TOGAF. There's a crucial element here. It all begins at the business level. Here you can see the BRM Framework, Digital Business Reference Model, known as the BRM. This diagram is incredibly information-rich. I haven't had time to translate it yet, since we can't edit the official diagram. Let me explain how to interpret this diagram. When it comes to digital transformation, this diagram is absolutely essential, along with its explanations. The key part is right here. Now, look here. In digital transformation, companies usually show certain traits. I can think of at least two key characteristics. First is customer centricity. And can you guess the second? The second key feature is being data-driven. However, the data-driven aspect isn't emphasized here. When we look at the customer-oriented aspect, we need strong digital design capabilities to align with both upstream and downstream requirements, focusing on customer experience and digital value. What other elements do we need? First, digital products and services. Then digital operations and personnel development capabilities. Each of these aspects is explained in detail. Let me walk you through these points. I'll provide a brief overview. There's substantial content here. For companies pursuing digital transformation, this framework, not utilizing it, or failing to implement it properly, would be a major missed opportunity. Indeed. Let me share an example. Based on a real-world case, we're implementing a customer experience-driven digital business design, now known as digital business architecture. This is what we call digital business architecture. Business architecture. Let me walk you through this clear diagram. It can be applied across various industries. We need to establish a digital transformation office. Many companies have already transformed their departments by renaming them as digital transformation units. Digital transformation office. Their role is to help clients develop, such as BP's digital transformation strategy. This is supported by digital and data experts working on various transformation projects. These are all enterprise architects using outcome-driven methodologies to develop enterprise architecture roadmaps. Simply put, we leverage enterprise architecture to enable digital customer journeys, digital business transformation. Here's the framework template. Let me show you an example. This is our roadmap template. This illustrates potential outcomes based on the voting results. Alright, let me explain this in detail. 12-month planning horizon. Let's look at an example. Here we have a digital business model aligned with TOGAF. Reference model. This represents a digital business transformation strategy. A 12-month strategic plan. What are our immediate goals? Starting immediately. Where will we be by June? What's our 12-month outlook? Some ask why our planning horizon is limited to 12 months. I apologize. The technology landscape is evolving rapidly. It's difficult to predict long-term developments. We'll keep updating our approach continuously. Let's call this company X. This represents an actual company. I've anonymized the company name. Regarding the technical framework, today's technological landscape is vast. We utilize the Technical Reference Model, or TRM. The TRM encompasses multiple use cases. TOGAF version 10 significantly enhances the TRM capabilities. It used to be largely overlooked in the past. In reality, it's an incredibly powerful tool. The power of TRM cannot be understated. Its brilliance is remarkable. Looking at TRM more closely, TRM encompasses a wide spectrum of technologies, covering diverse application scenarios, from cognitive computing to artificial intelligence, voice processing systems, and blockchain technology. The TRM really shines in many of these scenarios. Let's look at the 4 steps of implementation. First, choose your implementation approach. Second, perform a digital technology readiness assessment. Third, identify key management considerations. Finally, balance short-term issues with long-term planning. Since we're running short on time, that's all I can cover for now.